Here we are with Rick Gell from Advanced Radio, and he's going to show us one of the newest products from the Advanced Radio range. Take it away, Rick.
Hi guys, during the year we've developed a few new products and we're going to start showing you those now. This particular product is something that's an evolvement of our existing technology. Yep. This one here is a remote switch. This takes the center stage of the hidden switch, so it's a dual battery redundant circuit. It comes with LED, obviously, very simple to mount. This one you drill one hole, place the LED, and it also comes with this remote. And this remote will allow you to remotely turn off and turn on your model.
Wow, okay, so you've got two batteries actually plugged into this. This is a battery backer switch, is it?
Absolutely, it comes with complete battery backer. It's a fail-safe design, I'll explain that to you. Fail-safe is very simple. If we lose power, let's turn it off. Turn it off. Okay, we'll talk more about the turning on and off safety feature as well. So a battery backer or a fail-safe switch means this. You've had an interruption of power, you get power back, the switch is on.
It comes straight back on, okay.
Okay, so it's fail-safe. If anything should happen, you're going to get your model back to the ground.
Now,
okay?
I noticed we've got this little tiny key fob. Can you hold that in your hand for a sec?
Sure. This little thing here is your key fob. You've got 4 buttons on it, and we've coded it specifically so you can't turn this thing on and off accidentally. To turn it off, we have to push C and followed by D.
Yep.
And that has to be done within 1 second. To turn it back on, we push A followed by B. Again, that has to happen within 1 second. Yep. If you start pushing different combinations, you might note nothing's happening.
Yep, LED is still on.
Okay, so you can't actually accidentally switch this thing on or off. And second to that, we've also got a little plastic protective slider. So if you really want to make sure you can't turn things on or off, after you've turned it on, you slide that up. To turn it off, obviously, a little bit of elbow grease, and there we are.
So what's the working range of that little fob? Is it like a normal car fob, or...?
Yeah, look, it's pretty close to a car fob, but we're only talking about 10 or 15 feet. So we walk away from your model 10 or 15 feet, and that'll change depending on the model, whether you've got carbon fibre in there or whatever. You may have to stand right beside it to turn it on and off, but it's just a convenience thing, so you don't have to, you can have everything hidden away, no switches at all on the outside of the plane. Very quite convenient. There's also a million different codes on this fob, so the one you get with your switch will only be for your aeroplane. That's it. No one will be able to turn that on.
Very nice. I'm just going to get a close-up of this sticker. You could hold that up for me.
Yeah, sure.
So it's actually got instructions on the sticker there. You've got battery 1, battery 2 coming in, then you've got receiver output and an LED going out there.
So let's talk about ins and outs a little bit. This one obviously has your usual EC3s, which will work with any of the Spectrum gear, or our new excess power range of batteries. This particular one obviously comes with an LED extension. You can extend that LED to whatever length you need. That plugs straight into the side of the aircraft. It actually comes with a little cap that we're not showing here. This one's a dual JR out, so that can go, you can put that into 2 inputs on your receiver or 2 separate receivers.
Okay, so if you're only using one receiver, you'd recommend plugging both of those into...
Sure, because the JR connector is only good for about 4 or 5 amps tops, so 2 of those will give you, 8 to 10 amps, which is more than enough for any large-scale sport flying.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to move up the range and you're into the power-safe receivers, like the Spectrum power-safe receivers, we've also got the EC3 in, EC3 out version. This literally plugs in between your batteries and your power-safe receiver, and you've just turned your complete Spectrum system into a remote switch.
So this switch will work with any receiver?
Absolutely any system. It just drops in line in between your batteries and your bus, whether it's one of our AR smart buses or a power box or whatever. These can be made available with any combination of ins and outs on request. We will have standards, which will probably be the EC3, the JR. We'll do a Deans to JR. We'll probably do an EC3 in and out as standard. But if you want MPX connectors or you want the XT60s, we've got an XT60 version here for you.
Love those XT60 connectors. Nice bright yellow.
Yeah, these are a damn good connector. Yeah. They're very robust, and they will not come apart with vibration. So there's one that you could drop in between your batteries and any of our smart bus range of products.
Well,
okay.
Thank you very much, Rick. That was bloody brilliant.
You're welcome.
We'll come back for some more products in a bit.
Okay, no problem.
See you then.
guys.